Hi guys, now have you ever wanted to test the keys on your keyboard to find out if indeed they are working properly before you buy your keyboard? So in this video, I'm just going to show you how you can test all the keys on your keyboard using a free online tool, and this will help you make sure that all the keys are working or are functioning normally. So if you want to test your computer keyboard or your laptop keyboard, then this is the best tutorial for you. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now to get started, all you need to do is to go to your browser with your computer or laptop connected to the internet, and then just search key test like that, and then you'll land to this website. Go ahead and click on it. Now from here, you'll have here a presentation of your keyboard. It should be looking more or less like this, but you can see it has all the keys just the same way they are on your keyboard. Now from here, you can go ahead and tap on your keys on your keyboard, and you can see each and every key you tap, it will be written here, and then you'll see a sign that it has been pressed. For instance, I'm here to press number 6. If I press number 6, you'll see it change the color and then indicate that it has indeed typed or it is functioning well. So proceed and just go ahead and type all the keys on your keyboard to make sure that they are just working fine. You can even test the function keys, and you can see here mine are running well. So every key that you tap, if it is functioning, you will see it here. So that's how you can test your keyboard just using this keyboard tester or key tester on your keyboard. So that's how you do it. I've just left the link to this website down below so that you can go ahead and try it out to test all the keys on your keyboard to see if they are functioning. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.